Hello and welcome to Input Cell Formatting. My name's Jeff, I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. I was recently asked the following question. How do I format the input cell if the first digit is a 4? And I'm going to answer that question in this video. Exercise 1. Here's the basic idea. If the item number starts with a 4, then we need to enter the serial number. One way we can identify the orders that need a serial number is with manual formatting. It might look like this. Does this start with a 4? Yes. Great, then I'm going to go to Cell Styles Input. Does this start with a 4? No. Does this start with a 4? Yes. Cell Styles Input. Is this a 4? No. No. Yes. And Cell Styles Input. And you get the idea. But that's just too manual and it will take too long. So what we want Excel to do is automatically do this formatting when the item starts with a 4. Let's go to our next exercise, exercise 2. So what we want to try to do is write a formula that returns a true or false value. And we want it to be true when the item starts with a 4. And we want it to be false when it's not a 4. So we'll use the left function to accomplish this. Equals left of this. Now, does that equal 4? Enter. Yes, it does. And let's fill this down and just confirm. Does this start with a 4? No. Yes, no, no, and yes. So this looks good. And now that we have a formula that returns true or false, we can use this with conditional formatting. Let's go to the next exercise, exercise 3. So first we select the range we want to conditionally format, and then we go to conditional formatting, new rule. Here we want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And now we write our formula. Equals left of this, but we need to remove these dollar signs so that it'll be a relative cell reference, is equal to 4. So if the first character is equal to a 4, then we want to apply the formatting. So we go to Format. For the fill, we'll use this. For the font color, we'll use this. And for the border, we'll use this and an outline. Click OK and OK. Now, when the item starts with a 4, we get this input cell style format, and now it tells us that we need to enter the serial number. So that's how we can use conditional formatting to identify the input cells when the item starts with a 4. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Hey Excel user, if you ever need to create summary reports, check out my Pivot Table for Beginners video. It starts at the beginning and shows how to store the data transactions in a table and then how to summarize those transactions with a pivot table report. I hope it helps unlock the incredible power of pivot tables.
This video is a production of Excel University.